stop the Nigerian military from killing our people. Nigerian military should move out of our areas. They should go to the Sambisa forest and Boko Haram fight the people. You guys just come there and you want to destroy our lives. All we're asking for is a referendum to measure the parameter of what the people want. The people want a referendum. If they want Biafra, so be it. If Biafra doesn't go, so be it. It doesn't mean it must come to the Igbo land to kill our people. Let every person in the world come out, wherever you are, support this fight against injustice. All we're asking is for peace and equity. If you love peace and you love equity, you must be part of what we're doing. Rise up against injustice. Rise up for people that are defenseless, unarmed people. Come out and tell the Nigerian military they're wrong. And this cannot continue. The Buhari administration has been wrong. All the people that have been against the Igbos and the Southeasterners, they've been wrong. And this must stop today. It must stop now. If you seem quiet wherever you are part of the problem. Rise up, rise up. Let's stop the killing. Let's stop the genocide. Enough is enough. Let the people leave. Let my people go.
I am very grateful. I am very grateful that I have seen lots of people, of our people right here in the United Nations. I've seen